Yesterday we had stopped on a topic which was related with uh, how many types of parties are registered by the election commissioner. So we have to start from there only. That is, how many types of parties are there in India? And we will say two types of parties, national and regional parties. In national parties, we will come to say that those parties which win in more than 4 states, win election in more than 4 states, it is known as national parties. And those party which win in less than 4, that is 2 or more, but not 4 in state, is known as the regional or state parties. All right. So like that, we have to know about different types of parties in India. For example, who register political parties? You will answer the election commission register the political parties. Beside that, you can also say that who gives symbols to our political party. Again, we will say the election commission gives the symbols. Now, we are going to start today different types of parties in India, like Indian National Congress. Now, according page number 79 says, according to this, have you marked the answer of national and regional parties yesterday? Yesterday, have you marked?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the national parties and which type of parties is known as regional parties? With example you have marked. Now let's start with the next. According to this classification, there are 6 national recognized parties in our country. Now this is the data of 2006. So it may be up and down till today present. Now let us learn something about each of these parties. Now write down the first question related to the Indian National Congress. Write it. What are the main policies of, write fast on the top, what are the main policies of Indian National Congress? Have you written? Now mark the answer. One of the oldest parties of the world, one of the oldest parties of the world. Second, founded in 1885 and has experienced many splits. Split means it have break number of times. Played a dominant role in Indian politics at the national and state level. Next mark, for several decades after India's independence. All right, now leave all the points and come in the last. The party espouses word change करके लिखो. The party supports secularism and welfare of the weaker sections and minorities. The party supports secularism and welfare of weaker section and minorities. Second market. It supports new economic reforms, but with human face. Human face means with idea of humanity, not torturing the others. Third market. Emerged as the largest party with 145 members in Lok Sabha election 2004, and currently it leads to the, at that time it leads to ruling United Progressive Alliance. And I explained you yesterday, it has formed the coalition government, formed coalition government that is made of the United Progressive Alliance Party, UPA. Now it has the largest opposition. Now write it in the last. It lost election in 2014. Present position likho Congress ka. It lost election in 2014 and secured. It lost election in 2014 and secured only 44 seats. Secured only 44 seats, and currently it is the major opposition party, and currently it is one of the major opposition party in India. Now next topic of Bharatiya Janata Party BJP. Now write down the question. What are the main important features of BJP manifestos? Manifestos मतलब उसका program, agenda. Write down what are the main features of BJP manifesto. Now mark the answer. Founded in 1980 by reviving the erstwhile Bharatiya Jan Sangh, जनता पार्टी, सबसे पहला पार्टी था जनता पार्टी। जनता पार्टी से ब्रेक होकर भारतीय जनसंघ बना, जनसंघ से ब्रेक होकर भारतीय जनता पार्टी बना। Now next point, market wants to build a strong and modern India by inspirations from India's ancient culture and values. Cultural nationalism is an important element. Second point, market wants full territorial and political integration of Jammu and Kashmir with India, and it did it. It has completed this task. And second, a uniform civil code for all people living in country, irrespective of religion, and ban on religious conversation. Third, market last या यहीं तक रखो, ban on religious conversation. Now present position में लिखोगे, next paragraph ऊपर में आओ, lost election in 2004 and is the principal opposition in the Lok Sabha at present. उसके बाद लिखो at present one of the largest ruling party of India, one of the largest and major ruling party of India. Third point, Bahujan Samaj Party. Write down the question here. Who formed BSP? Who formed BSP? What are its main policies? Write down who formed BSP? What are its main policies? Now mark the answer. ये क्वेश्चन हमेशा आता है वन वर्ड में. Who came to form BSP or Bahujan Samaj Party? Write the answer, Kasi Ram. It is very, very important question. It repeats number of times. इसलिए double tick लगा. Formed in 1984 under the leadership of Kasi Ram. Now, what are its manifestos? First, market. It tries to represent and secure power to the Bahujan Samaj, which includes, Bahujan Samaj includes like Dalits, Adivasis, OBCs, and religious minorities. Change the point and write. It draws inspiration from the teachings of Sahu Maharaj, Mahatma Phule, Periyar Ramaswamy Naikar, and Baba Saheb Ambedkar. If you're not able to write all the name, just write Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Third point, market stands for the cause of securing the interest and welfare of the Dalits and oppressed people. This is one of the major agenda of BJP. Next, market. It is popular in number of states. Now, देखो 4 से ज्यादा स्टेट है, इसलिए इसको नेशनल पार्टी में गिना जाता है. उत्तर प्रदेश, मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, उत्तराखंड, दिल्ली, पंजाब, है ना. 4 से ज्यादा है, इसलिए इस किस पार्टी में गिनाता है? नेशनल पार्टी या रीजनल पार्टी? You will at once answer the national party.
National Party.
Yes.
National.
Next, market formed government in Uttar Pradesh several times. Most important leader of BSP, can you name? Can you name the most important leader of BSP? Mayawati. You know the name?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you have to answer at
Yes, ma'am.
once. Have you
Yes,
come
ma'am.
across Mamata Banerjee? These are the most
Yes, ma'am.
popular name in politics. एट वंस बीएसपी की जो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट लीडर थी वो मायावती है। तो जस्ट नेम देखो, उसका सिंबल भी दिया हुआ है एलिफेंट। ये सब याद करके रखना है। ये मैच द कॉलम में आया था, जिससे कि एक बार बच्चे एग्जाम दिए थे और इसी तरह का क्वेश्चन जिसमें कि इलेक्शन हुआ था और हम लोग उतना उस पर स्ट्रेस नहीं डाले और क्वेश्चन दे दिया पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से रिलेटेड, सिंबल्स बनाने को, मैच द कॉलम्स करने को, एंड दे मिस्ड विथ 2-3 मार्क्स आर कमिंग टू 100 मार्क्स. So read all the symbols, party name, form, who formed it, and the agenda and objectives. Now next mark here, last. In Lok Sabha election, held in 2004, polled about 5% vote and secured 19 seats in Lok Sabha. Today, one of the major opposition. Present position mein likho. Now it is one of the opposition. Now come to the fourth point. Communist Party of India formed by Marxist. Now write down the question related here. What are the chief characteristics of Communist Party of India Marxist? CPIM है, M मतलब मार्क्स हो गया, मार्क्सिस्ट. So founded in 1964, मार्क्सिज्म और लेनिन के आइडियाज पे, इसकी एजेंडा को मार्क करो. It support socialism, secularism, democracy, and opposed imperialism and communalism. Accepts democratic elections and want to secure the objective of socio-economic justice in India. It enjoys position in West Bengal, Kerala, Tripura, especially among the poor factory workers, farmers, agricultural laborers and intelligentsia. देखो ये लोकल वर्कर का ग्रुप ही है, पार्टी है, इसलिए वर्कर क्लास का पूरा सपोर्ट है. नेक्स्ट मार्केट, a new economic policy that allow free flow of foreign capital and goods into the country. It is also popular in West Bengal. ये एग्जाम्पल में डालोगे क्योंकि वेस्ट बंगाल में it ruled over how many years? 30 years without a break. Jyoti Basu, the chief minister of Bengal at that time, and he ruled there for 30 consecutive years, matlab continuously. Now, in 2004 election, it was one of the supporter of the Congress. देखो लिखा है, supports UPA government from outside without joining the government. और present position में क्या लिखोगे? One of the opposition because it supports Congress. Now next topic पे आओ, Communist Party of India. Now write down the question here. What do you know about Communist Party of India? What do you know about Communist Party of India? Mark it. Formed in 1925 and believes in Marx, Lenin, secularism and democracy. Second point, market, opposed to force of secession and communalism. Third, accepts parliamentary democracy. Fourth, interests takes in working class, farmers and poor. And in 1964 led to the formation of CPIM, one of the most important party of Kerala, West Bengal, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. It supported UPA government, last mein mark karo. It supported UPA government from outside, now one of the major opposition. Present position likhoge, opposition में बैठता है. और last topic पे आओ, write down how was Nationalist Congress Party formed? How was the Nationalist Congress Party was formed? How was the Nationalist Congress Party formed? What are its policies? What are its policies. Now mark here again, it was formed in 1999, split in the Congress Party. It supports, spouses की जगह लिखो, it supports democracy, Gandhian secularism, equality, social justice and federalism. Okay, a major party in Maharashtra and presence in Meghalaya, Manipur and Assam. Believes in coalition government with Congress. 2004, one of the UPA alliance, now one of the major opposition. Now come to the next topic, state parties. What are the status of, what are the status of regional party in India or state party? Regional party or state party of India. Now see the book here. Some of the regional parties have succeeded only in some states. Mark here. Most of the major parties of the country are classified by the Election Commission as state parties. देखो लिखा है यहाँ से मार्क करो. Other than these 6 parties, most of the major parties of the countries are classified by Election Commission as a state party or regional party. यहाँ से मार्क करो. अब यहाँ से मार्क करो. Some of these parties are All India Party that happen to have succeeded only in some states. Like parties like mark here, Samajwadi Party, Samta Party, Rashtriya Janata Dal, national level political organization, units in several states. Some of these parties like Biju Janata Dal, Sikkim Democratic Front, Mizo National Front are conscious about their state identity, means they are very famous in their particular state. है ना? No single. Now यहाँ से फिर मार्क करो next paragraph में. Over the last 3 decades, the number and strength of these parties have expanded. Mark this line. Then again mark, no one national party is able to secure its own majority in Lok Sabha. As a result, national parties are compelled to form alliance with the state party. है ना कि इतना ज्यादा पार्टीज बना हुआ है कि जब इलेक्शन होता है तो किसी में को बहुत मेजॉरिटी वोट नहीं मिलता है कि जो वो दावा कर सके कि हम सरकार बना सकते हैं. तब इधर देखो 1996 से मेंशन किया है कि 1996 से अभी तक हम लोग के कंट्री में अभी ये बीजेपी को छोड़कर कोलिशन गवर्नमेंट बन रहा है. तो कोलिशन गवर्नमेंट हाउ इट इज मेड, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट सपोर्टेड बाय सम ऑफ द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट सो दैट द कोलिशन गवर्नमेंट कैन बी फॉर्म्ड. सो देखो यहाँ लिखा है nearly every one of the state parties had got an opportunity to be part of one or other national level coalition government. This has contributed in the strengthening of federation democracy in our society. Now this line which I have read, underline it, put it as statement and explain it. That the coalition government, यहाँ पे question change करो, this के जगह लिखो, the coalition government has contributed, the coalition government has contributed in the strengthening of federalism and democracy in our country. Elaborate. Okay. Now mark the answer. उसमें आंसर लिखोगे क्या? Coming up of the coalition government. कैसे सेंट्रल फेडरलिज्म का मतलब क्या होता है? 2 और मोर लेवल गवर्नमेंट. तो सेंट्रल में भी अगर पार्टीज जो है और स्टेट पार्टीज दोनों मिलकर अगर सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को चला रहे हैं तो हमारा फेडरलिज्म स्ट्रांग हो जाता है. सेंट्रल एंड स्टेट आर सपोर्टिंग ईच अदर. So it is known as coalition government is making our federalism more strong. Is it clear? How? By supporting or participating in the coalition form of government. Answer देखो ऊपर में लिखोगे. This made the Parliament of India politically more and more diverse. As a result, national parties are compelled to form alliance with state parties. Nearly every one of the state party has got an opportunity to be part of one or other national coalition government. This had contributed in the strengthening of the federalism. All right, now come to the next topic, the challenges of political parties. What are the challenges? Now underline the word challenges and write that the problems. What are the problems faced by the political parties? What are the challenges or problems faced by the political parties? All right. Political parties में देखो बहुत सारा challenge है या कहो कि बहुत सारा defects है, उसको हम लोग कैसे change करेंगे? How can you challenge को overcome करें? तो पहले तो challenges बताना होगा कि what are the challenges, है ना? तो सबसे पहले challenges क्या है? Internal democracy को खत्म करना. Lack of internal democracy. लिख लो. Lack of internal democracy within party. Lack of internal democracy within the parties. Within the parties is the major challenge. Lack of internal democracy within parties is the major challenge to political parties all over the world. Inverted comma, open and close. Analyze the statement. Now, what will you say about lack of democracy? The first challenge is the all over the world. देखो मार्क करो. First Roman number 1 में मार्क लिखोगे lack of internal democracy. इसको Roman number 1 में mention करो. अब इसको elaborate करो. First point mark it. All over the world, there is a tendency in political parties towards the concentration of power in one or few leaders at the top. है ना? कि बहुत सारा power जो लीडर्स है टॉप में उसी के पास है, वो अपने पावर को शेयर ही नहीं करता है. जबकि डेमोक्रेसी मीन्स व्हाट? पावर शेयरिंग. डेमोक्रेसी का अल्टीमेट मीनिंग क्या होता है? पावर शेयरिंग गवर्नमेंट. When power is divided, then it is defined as a pure democracy. The internal democracy means political parties के अंदर जो डेमोक्रेसी वो खत्म हो गया है. How it has come to an end? Because the topmost leader is having all the power in his hand. He is not sharing his power to its followers or the active members. He is on top from years. He is not coming out. So it is said that how can you end this challenge? How then can you solve this problem? And this problem can be solved that as in country, after every 5 years, there is a national level election or a state election. Same like in political parties also, every 5 years, there should be an election. And the leaders must be changed. When the leaders will be changed, new ideas, new innovations, new thinking will come forward and it will develop. It will not be stagnant. If one leader is on top from years and not coming out of power, this party will become stagnant, रुक जाएगा. लेकिन जब उसमें innovations आने लगे, leaders change करने लगेंगे, तो तुम पाओगे कि नया ideas आने लगेगा और new ideas will take to the development. So it says that we have to first end lack of internal democracy. Now, second point mark here, that these parties have their units in various states. Mark it. On top तक मार्क किए हो ना, उसके बाद अब मार्क करो. These parties have, मिला, got the answer, top of point where you are marking. Parties do not keep membership register. Next mark karo. Parties do not keep membership register. Third mark karo. They do not conduct internal elections regularly. Fourth mark it. They do not conduct internal elections regularly. Mark ये. Last mark करो. Ordinary members, mark again, the ordinary members, the ordinary members of the party do not have sufficient information. यहाँ से mark करो. Ordinary members of the party do not have sufficient information is what is happening inside the party. As a result, conclude कर दो answer को. As a result, the leaders assume greater power to make decision in the name of the party. यहाँ तक ये सब points लिखोगे. Next topic पे आ. ये हो गया first challenge. What is the second challenge? That is the dynastic succession. Now, dynastic succession means what? What do you mean by dynastic succession? Means एक ही family के लोग हमेशा rule करने आ जाते हैं, जैसे कांग्रेस है. One dynasty is ruling from the years and it is not changing. The top leader is controlled by one person and he or she is allowing the other family members to come to power. For this reason, Congress have split, break into number of branches because some people wants to be the leader, but as it is a dynastic succession, number of people are not getting the chances. So the second challenge we have to end from political parties, if it will be what? To end the dynastic succession. Mark it as the second challenge. Dynastic succession. Second challenge को Roman number 2 में लिखो. The dynastic succession. Answer mark करो. A rule in which families generation rules, family generation rules, बुक में है, बुक में है. क्लास 10 सो गए हो?
नो मैम.
नो मैम,
बुक में
बुक
है?
में नहीं है.
No,
नो
ma'am.
मैम.
चलो तब लिखो. A rule in which the family's generation rules forever, where the family generation rules forever, rule forever, and there can be no change. There can be no change. This is against democracy. This is against democracy. Yeah, this is against democracy. It can be changed. First mark it. अब book में mark करो. Since most political parties do not practice open and transparent procedure for their functioning, there are very few ways for an ordinary worker to rise on the top. Second point, mark it. Leaders are in a position of unfair advantage. Third marker. Their family members, sorry, यहाँ से फिर मार्क करो. The top positions are always controlled by members of one family. This is unfair to other members of the parties. This is also bad for democracy. Democracy, अब उसको इस लाइन से ऐड करो, to occupy position of power. हो गया? Next, third mark करो. The third challenge, money and muscle power. मतलब कुछ पॉलिटिकल, हर पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज में दो लोगों को मेंबरशिप जरूर मिलता है. एक होता है मनी, मींस द बिगेस्ट इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट हु कैन गिव मनी फॉर फाइट द इलेक्शंस, चैरिटी में जो बहुत पैसा देते हैं. तो एक टिकट इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट के नाम से हो गया. एंड दूसरा हो गया मसल्स, दैट इज द क्रिमिनल्स. दे आल्सो get the ticket to fight the election. So the political parties keep these two things in their pocket. One is money and the other is muscle. Money means the industrialists who give them money to fight the election, and muscle means the role of criminal in political parties. In every political party, these two people must get the ticket and a seat to fight the election. So this has to be removed. The third challenge, Roman number 3, write it, money and muscle power. The money and muscle power in parties, especially during election, are focused only on winning election. They try to use shortcuts to win the election. They don't